Hello, welcome back guys to Amalia Projects here. Today in this video I'm going to show you a tutorial how to change Gmail recovery number on Android. But before it, I hope you guys click subscribe and the bell button to support the channel. And now without any further ado, let's get started with the video. Well guys, firstly here of course you just have to open your Gmail account, and I'm gonna open it by Gmail applications here guys. And after, go ahead to your account here at the top right in the corner of your screen. I'm gonna open my another Gmail for example. And now just go ahead to this manage your Google account. And after, in this page, scroll it down a little until we'll find the security and sign in. Just go ahead. Now just scroll it down again until we'll find here the recovery phone. And here I'm gonna tap on it first. If you want to remove it, you just have to enter it first for your Gmail password guys. Like this, I'm gonna enter it first. Now tap on the next button here at the bottom. If you want to change it, you just have to tap on this pen icon, pencil icon. Just tap on it like this. And now just erase, remove your first number that you use for the recovery number, and now add another number guys. Now tap on the next button here, and tap on the stuff right now, and as you can see, for the recovery number updated guys. So I think it's enough from me. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your like and comments below, and I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.